Hello friends, today we are going to talk about data types in Python. Before I had talked about second part of the string in data type. So before going to the video, please do share, subscribe and comment to our channel. So today I'm going to talk about strings, right? So the first type already I just told you about some other things in strings in later before videos. So this video first I'm going to cover about the escape sequence. So first one is escape sequence. How escape sequence work in strings. So escape sequence is nothing but special functions used in a printing statements where it has been encoded in a double quotes will be used. I show you how it works on it. I just open a cmd. I just open there. Just wait check. Yeah, just wait check. Okay, I just open and now I'm moving to a Python console. Yeah, I just came into a Python console. So I'll just show you how it works. So first there are different types of escape sequences. I'll just show you what are the different types to you. So just open up a notepad to tell you that what are the types will be there. So the first escape sequence, the first one is a slash a. That is a bell button. That is a bell sound. If you keep this slash a in a sequence of strings, it just in that part when it comes to that certain part of slash a, it gives you a some bell sound. Okay, bell or some alert message to you. Just it will just give us some beep sound only. Likewise, it will do us. So next one is a slash b. That is a backspace. It works as a backspace. It works as a backspace. And third one is a e. Sorry, that is slash e. That is escape. Okay. So on fourth one is f. That is form fade. I'll just show you what all this will do in coding part. Next one is a form fade. And fifth one is slash n. That is a new line. When you give this function in a string, in a long set of string, if you give in that in the middle of any of the string line, it just breaks that thing and just move the new line and it works on. So this is how the new line will work. I just show you how it works in the coding part. I just show you what other things will be here first. Okay, so next one is a r. That is slash r. That is carriage return. Carriage return. Okay, this is a carriage return. And seventh one is a slash s and slash s and slash t. Okay, oh I'm sorry. Okay, slash t will be acted as a space. Just give us some space bar. What will the space bar do? It will same like it will do you to show you. And next one is a tab. Okay, these are the sum of the escape sequences in a string in Python. Okay, so I'll just show you how this all works in string. So first of all, I just show you some of this. Okay, I just show you some of this. Just first I just show you slash a. As I'm just doing a video, you can't hear a voice for that. I'll just show you that it will not show you any intimations. Okay, so I'll just give you like slash t slash n. I'll just show you in how it works here. Just give a print statement with the double quotes and just typing. Okay, I'll just type what will we type. So just we have some little codes. Okay, Python is easy to learn. Okay, I have to break here. Sorry, some here, some errors. So I have to break and I have to make a new line for next one. So I'm just keeping a slash in. So it will make me a new line. So after typing any words after the slash n, it will be taken as a new line code. Okay, So Python is easy to learn, and it is a very, sorry, I just want to have to, okay, just include some other things. So I love Python. Okay, Python is very, has two types, of modes, Okay, I'll just give your I'll just give slash a here, some intimation alert, and next one I give you a tab for here. Okay, I'm not giving any space, but it show you some space over there. See, I'm not giving any space, and it'll show us some space. Likewise, I give a slash s here. Okay, so we now run the program. What happens, we see. Okay, I'm just going to the end and I'm just hitting enter. See, the thing has happened very neatly, right? The Python is easy to learn. As I just given a slash n, it has given us some new spacing to the next one. So Python is easy to learn. It just ended over there, and after slash n, it just considered as a new line. It has to come, and it just came. After it has a Python as a learn, I'm just given a slash a, and it given us some alert sound. I'm just hearing, but you can't hear that, right? So you have to, if you want to, you have to see that you have to use with some headphones, so that you can, when you typing the program, you can easily handle that. So this is of the use of slash a, and slash t is of a space. Sorry, it's a tab. See, I'm not given any space, but it has given me some tabbing space. So this is how we have to use some escaping sequences. But in later I will show you some I will show you all the things how it works in the program in a next topic I'm just covering over here. So just wait and watch until that. So this is all about an escape sequence, and next one is a special operators, string special operators. Okay, that is string special operator. Okay, just wait. The string special operators. Okay, the string separate special operators, what will do, you can add the string, you can multiply the string, you can slice the string, and you can even arrange a slice for it, and you can give a membership, same membership for a in, not in, it's all the sum of the membership functions. And raw strings you can also give like that. Okay, I'll just show you how concatenations work. That is a plus. Okay, now we'll see about concatenation part over here. So I'm just moving to a Python. Okay, just move to a Python. So now I'm giving a plus b is on a Python concatenation rule. So I'm going to concatenate a hello plus Python. Okay, I'll just show you how it works in the head. Okay, I'm concatenating, I'm giving a variable a equal to hello, the ending of colon plus the double quotes of Python ending with double quotes. If I hit a enter, it will show you me result as a hello Python. Okay, just print and show you what happens to you. Hello, print a, seeds will be given you some same result. Even you can type this as a equal to, sorry, I'm just giving some other variable, a equal to hello double quotes and double quotes. Sorry, I'm just doing a Python with ending with double quotes. If I hit a enter, you know what answer will be given like that. The same answer that is given for print a will be given to the print answer for a print b. Okay, I'll just show you the concatenation. You can do like this also. I'm just giving some other example to give like that. See, hello Python. So likewise, how print a is shown to you, it will give it as shown to you as a b also. So same result has been given to us. A concatenation part can be done like this also. So I have shown like this. So next one is a repetitions. I just said you right. So I am just repeating the b one as a thrice. That is hello Python, hello Python, and hello Python. Okay. So to do that, I'm just want to do the only thing that I'm going to print a function with a variable name into, that is a repetition with, I'm giving it three types of repetition. Sorry, that three incrementations. Okay, I'm just hitting enter. See, we have shown some values. Hello Python plus hello Python. This is how you have to do the repetitions. So next one is a slicing. So I have to slice and I have to get, if there was some condition that I have to get the some character value from some set of strings. Likewise, I just wanted a eighth character from a string value, so I have to use a slicing method over here. So I have to slice, or this I have to slice means use just there is no command for that. You have to use a square brackets to slice the values. So I have to slice a value b. I have to want a value of 1 for b. So I'm going to slice that I'm just calling a variable, sorry, okay, a, I'm just calling a with square brackets of 1. I want the slice value of 1, so it will show me a e as a value. So my sliced value for a of 1 is e. Okay, so next one, you can also do that in a range also. Okay, you can also even do that in a range. Like I'm just given a print of the range values. Just giving some strings so that you can easily see it. Okay, I'm just closing this. Okay, I'm just closing. I'm just giving us only a range value. I just wanted a value from 1 to 6. Okay, okay, I'm just giving 1 with a colon of 7, so it will take only 1 to 6, not 7. Okay, I'm just hitting a enter. It showed me hello. It will not be included with the hello what py, that is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, okay, it has taken like that. Okay, so yeah, this, and yellow is a 1 and the L is another 2 and another L is 3 and O is 4 and P is 5 and Y is 6. Likewise, I said 1 colon 7 will be terminated when it comes to 6 and will not show you a 7th value for you. Okay, this is how the slicing will be worked in arranging. And in slicing, you can, if what value you gives you, it will show the same value to you. Okay, from the string value. Okay, this is all about us range slicing. Okay, next I show you how there is some other methods. You can be get a value from backside also. So to get the backside side's value, you have to make a minus symbol for that. I'm just giving a -1. We just see what the result will be given to us. Okay, I'm just hitting enter. See, n, the -1 is the last value of my string. Okay, it's shown me a -n. So next one is a string formatting. Okay, so next function in this is string formatting. So okay, next one is string formatting. Okay, string formatting is nothing but a good feature in a Python. So operator is a Unix to strings and make up for a back of having a functions from a C printf. Okay, so it has likewise as if you have learned C++ or C, you could have been very familiar with string formatting functions. So, but you have not gone through the C or C++. You don't have to study that. I'll just show you how it works here. So, some of the string formatting operators are, just wait, I'll just show you. Operator. Okay, first one in that is percentage %s. It means that is string. Okay, that is said to be a string. And second one is that is %c, that is said to be a character. And third one is said to be an slash, that is a percentage of d, that is said to be an decimal value. Decimal value, that means a decimal integer. Okay, that is integer. Okay, this is said to be a decimal integer. And next one is fourth one, that is percentage e, that is said to be exponential. Okay, okay, and fifth and last one is a slash f, that is a float value. If you give us some float value in a string and you have to call that it will be used as a percentage f for string formatting operators. So I'll just show you how the string formatting will work and how to we call that in a program. Okay, I just show you a simple print function in that. Okay, so these are the functions being used in a string formatted operators. Okay, first I just show you. I'll just give a some. I just easily show you in a print function itself. So I'm just calling some print. I'm just printing. I'm just saying. What will we say? The channel. Okay, the channel name is. I'm just giving a percentage as that is string. Channel name is okay, and it started on the days of working. Okay, just show you on the day work. Channel start on the started date. Okay, I'm just giving. Sorry, I'm just giving started date. Okay, I'm just giving it. Okay, I'm just have to call this. Okay, we have to call this. To call this, we have to use a percentage once again. So now we have to give the value for it. So I'm giving a, so I'm not mentioned here for a string value. I'm just giving a string value as percentage d, that is a decimal int. So now I'm calling the values to initialize the x and slash s and slash d. Okay, that is percentage s and percentage d. Okay, my percentage s, my channel name is red code. I'm giving red code. Okay, and my date started, I'm just giving a value, some value like I'm just giving a 26. Okay, that's enough. Okay, I'm just given the value for slash here, that is percentages and percentage d. So I'm hitting enter. It will show me that my the channel name is red code and the started date is 26. Okay, I just hit enter. See, as I said, the channel name is a red code and started date is 26. This is how we have to use the string formatting operators. So this is all about the string formatting operators. Okay, next one in string about this video is triple quotes. Triple quotes is nothing but triple quotes. Oh, I'm just sorry, wait. Oh yeah. Okay, it's triple quotes. What triple quotes will do in a string? Okay, I'll just show you in a notepad itself. If I'm having a triple quotes and ending with the triple quotes, yeah, I'm just ending with the triple quotes. Inside it, you can call any functions in escape sequence like slash a slash b or slash t slash s. You can give any characters inside this so that it will not show you any error, and it will give you such a result to you as what you think and what you want to get. Okay, it will not show you any error. If you give a triple quotes with the triple quotes, it will not show you any error. It will give you automatically with some result. Okay, so this is all about today's session. We have covered escape sequence and special operators and string formatting operators and triple quotes. So today we are covered about the four topics in this videos. So next video we will cover about and built-in string methods. Please stay tuned for the next video so that you can for strings, so you can very clarify and very strings in Python. Please do share, subscribe and comment on my channel. Thank you.